Welcome back everyone to Art with Ragni. Today we are going to paint a girl portrait using the items. We have watercolor kits, some paint brushes of different sizes, and this is the portrait. So like this video, stay till the end and support. Without any further delay, let's start the video. Starting off with the base layer, you have to analyze your reference picture and work according to that. Here I am applying a very light shade of skin. And be patient because the watercolor takes a lot of time, and don't overwork. And leave the highlights. If possible, if there are any highlights that you can come across, then please leave. It will be beneficial for you. I have showed each and every process in detail, so if you just watch the video till the last, you will get to know the techniques or the thing that I have applied to move on from one layer to the next layer, and the things that you should keep in mind. So just watch the video till the last and I will be here. There isn't much voiceover, so you can just examine by yourself. And if you have any questions, then feel free to ask me in the comment section and I will just reply as soon as possible. So now we will apply the second layer, which is little darker compared to the further layer. You have to analyze your reference picture very carefully and work according to that, and keep the highlights. And the important part, you have to literally mix. Don't let the water get absorbed quickly, and work on the edges. Make the edges smooth, because later it will be a very big problem. You will not able to blend, so keep in mind that you have to blend according to that. So thank you everyone if you have watched till here. We will complete the next part in the next video. See you soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care.